Me at 5 AM. I don't need sleep. I need flexwood rod. Bro, how do I get marble? You need to break it down. Oh shut, yeah, my bad. Who the duck is this guy? Lil Split. This split is bananas. Part of the Split image set. Introduced in chapter Fortnite OG. Season Fortnite OG. This item is usable in Lego Fortnite. Me before realizing there's a quick build preset for stairs. Yes, the game has bugs, but this is an amazing start. It's 12:50 AM and we created a speed tunnel to the desert. Concept idea on how to control different thrusters with different switches. Free Lego llama at Shibuya stream. Me and boys, when we find a roller. Not too shabby for a first base, eh? You can fly, there are meteors, and you need to reinforce your plane. Someone probably made this suggestion already, but with the Lego collaboration in full swing, hear me out. Made instructions for the Lego Fortnite glider shown in the Big Dang reveal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lego X Epic Games. Wait, it's awesome. Lego Fortnite. Always has been. Peely's a villager. Needs level 10 village to be able to recruit. Peely thinks your village level is too low. I'll fix that. Flying ship Lego Fortnite. I don't remember making an island in 2001. A bug. How to get lots of eggs. Just drop a stack of corn, pumpkin, or vine and chickens will eat it, then drops eggs. This is why no one takes us seriously. On the first day that Lego Fortnite was available to the public, users repeatedly recreated the Night 11 attacks. Cavern Safe House. My Lego farmer asking me for tools, while I make him yet again beat up a wolf with his bare hands. I'm picking raspberries. I feel Lego Fortnite is gonna have similar vibes to this classic. Mom, who is your favorite? Sweetie, I love you both equally. It's you. And by a lot. Not sure if I'm the first, but here is a Mario pixel art I made in sandbox mode. Someone try to beat this view. Flying Dutchman. Using the bold stance emote lol. Admiral Sevish. Not ready. Managed to create a boat. Raptor seems to enjoy my special plants. Now what did they do to the galaxy scene? Galaxy. Victory is written in the stars. Part of the galaxy set. Introduced in season 5. This item is usable in Lego Fortnite. Lego Meow Skulls. Thought of the perfect collab for the Lego mode. Found this silly burger in the desert. There is no way this is the finished Lego model for Zoe. Zoe. This item is usable in Lego Fortnite. Rust theme base I made in survival. Progress on the village, survival mode. May have done a bit of grinding. Building is so enjoyable. Found a double llama. Sandclaw. Had to finesse a homemade log cabin. Thanks for the interesting river generation, Fortnite. What would happen if Epic Games added something like Herobrine to Fortnite Lego's open world? Only played 20 minutes and already love this game. Finally, Lego Worlds 2. Followed the end of the rainbow to find this Easter egg. Lego Star Wars scenes are now live in Lego Fortnite. Fortnite x Lego Star Wars. New Lego game idea. It should be about Fortnite. John Thick. U/Chukamuka loves scat. A Lego Fortnite game? I guess it would be kinda cool, but I feel like Fortnite characters wouldn't look too good in Lego form. The 4 stages of master building. Bricked up. Everything is awesome. Busting a stud. Regret. Lego Fortnite is just a normal Lego game. Change my mind. I bet he's thinking about other women. What scene should I wear for Lego Fortnite? Lego Fortnite in the trailer. Lego Fortnite in game. Lego Fortnite is just Minecraft. Change my mind. Me searching up Lego Fortnite. Snap out of it. What's a good game for us to make? Batman and Robin. Mirror's Edge Final Stand. Lego Fortnite. When Lego makes a Fortnite collab. People who liked Lego and thought this day would never come. Item a head out. Fortnite Lego was a mistake. Minecraft has trash mobbed votes. Captain America. Civil War. Most people rejected his message. Fortnite Lego is just Minecraft. Fortnite community. Shut up. They hated Jesus because he told them the truth. Fortnite Lego just got wild. Lego. Nut. I'm the dumbest man alive. I made a Fortnite Lego set. You're clearly dumber. Not all heroes wear capes. You have my respect, sir. Is there any way to teleport between hubs? I have a village in the forest, but I also have some building points near the frozen biome. Walking between them is so tedious. Try posting another 7 threads, then someone might answer you. Thank you. I should flood your inbox then. I just noticed it posted 4 times, despite showing error 500. Lego Fortnite. Fortnite Battle Royale. Save the world. Okay, that's cool, but Lego Fortnite. My squad. Your squad. Versus Lego Fortnite Llama. 5 llamas stack. Friendship ended with Minecraft. Now Lego Fortnite is my best friend. Me and my duo on December 7th when Fortnite Lego drops. Epic rap battles of history. Lego Fortnite foreshadowing. Early look at the Fortnite x Lego collab. AdSense. Lego Fortnite. Haha. Good one. Manny. 24 hours later. Rocket Racing. Festival. Me writing an extended paragraph in the work group chat about how Lego Fortnite is one of the greatest addition to the game in a long time, and how I've been researching it all morning. My 50-year-old co-workers who have never played video games in their life. Me playing ranked battle royale. Taking a 2-day break by playing Lego Fortnite and Rocket Racing. Me playing ranked battle royale. Me who's played Scrap Mechanic about to construct the most complex vehicle of all time. Everyone enjoying Lego Fortnite. Me waiting for the Ninjago scenes to dive deep into it. Everyone enjoying Lego Fortnite. Fortnite bad, Minecraft good memes when they see Lego Fortnite. Zelda and Studio Ghibli unite in beautiful indie game Europa, launching in April. Fortnite and Lego kick off long-term partnership with new survival crafting game. Game creator collabs.